SoFi stock has been performing phenomenally over the past month, up 22.5%. We're getting another rally again today. We're going to take a look at the financials of this company, as well as some of the price targets to understand what direction this stock is heading. But also, we're getting some great news for the overall market. The overall market is up today on the news that there is a ceasefire between Iran and Israel. There have been some claimed violations of the ceasefire, but as of right now, it seems like the ceasefire is still in effect, and hopefully this will improve the overall price of oil, lower costs for companies, and have a very strong impact for the overall market. But if we take a look at SoFi's financials, that is what's really moving this company right now. Their past earnings report was very strong, and they updated their fiscal year 2025 guidance. They're now looking at 24% overall growth in adjusted net revenue. They're looking at 27% growth in adjusted EBITDA, as well as 9% growth in their net income. For 2025 on the low end, they're expecting 27 cents earnings per share compared to 2024, which was 15 cents earnings per share. For net income, they're expecting $320 million compared to $227 million in net income from 2024. Overall net revenue as well is looking really good. They're expecting $3,235,000,000 in overall adjusted net revenue compared to $2,606,000,000 in 2024. So overall, this company is projecting some very strong growth for 2025, and that is a main reason why this company is doing so well as the stock is performing very well. You can see that member growth of at least 2.8 million or 28% from 2024 levels. So they're getting a lot of new customers. They've been having very strong ads that they've been displaying on TV. This company is doing a very phenomenal job at acquiring new customers as well as expanding their overall market. For their Q2 2025 guidance, that is looking very healthy as well. They're expecting 31% overall growth in adjusted net revenue compared to Q2 of 2024, 25% growth in adjusted EBITDA, and 8% growth in overall net income. They're expecting on the low end 5 cents earnings per share, and on the high end 6 cents earnings per share compared to their diluted earnings per share from Q2 2024, which was 1 cent earnings per share. So this company is growing their revenue, but they're also growing their overall profitability, making this a pretty attractive company. But what does the valuation say about this company? Well, at the moment, it's trading at about a 36 PE, which is not bad for a company growing their revenue and profitability at the rate they are, making SoFi a fairly attractive buy. As you can see on Seeking Alpha, they're giving it a buy rating. Wall Street is, however, giving it a hold rating, but still an overall healthy company with a lot of growth in front of it. From 22 analyst ratings, you're getting 36% buy, 41% hold, and 23% sell. For a 1 year stock price forecast, you're looking at on the high end a $20 price target with 30% upside. I personally own SoFi stock. I own about $6,000 worth of it, and I will continue holding my SoFi stock. I think that is a great company with a strong future ahead of it, and it'll be interesting to see those Q2 results that will be coming out at the end of July and to see how that will impact the stock as it attracts more investor interest in the company. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing. Y'all have a good one.